Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple and effortless way. All you have to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to truly absorb everything. Today's topic is an important one. Why is the United States so involved in world affairs? For many people around the world, the US seems to be everywhere, politically, economically, and militarily. But how did this happen, and why does it continue? Let's start with history. After World War II, the US emerged as one of the world's two superpowers alongside the Soviet Union. When the war ended in 1945, the US took on a new role, helping rebuild Europe through initiatives like the Marshall Plan. But it wasn't just about money. It was about influence and leadership. The US wanted to promote democracy and capitalism in a world that had just experienced the horrors of fascism and was now facing the rise of communism. During the Cold War, US involvement in world affairs became even stronger. The goal was to stop the spread of communism. That's why the US had military bases around the world, supported allies financially, and intervened in conflicts like Korea and Vietnam. But even after the Cold War ended, US involvement didn't stop. Instead, it evolved. The US became a global leader in humanitarian aid, disaster relief, and peacekeeping missions. It has also remained deeply involved in international organizations like the United Nations and NATO, helping shape decisions on climate, trade, security, and more. One key reason for all this involvement is economic. The US has one of the largest economies in the world, and global trade is essential. Being involved means protecting its markets, its companies, and its partnerships. It's also about values, promoting democracy, human rights, and stability. Of course, not everyone agrees with this role. Some people say the US is too involved, interfering in the politics of other nations. Others believe its leadership is essential for global peace and prosperity. The debate continues. Thank you for staying with us to the end of the video. If you're here, you're serious about learning. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the feedback video. It's an essential part of mastering English and understanding American culture. Like this video, share it with others, and help us grow so we can bring you even more amazing content. See you next time.